Hello friends, it's a pleasure to welcome you to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can clear your search history on YouTube. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write comments under this video. So, let us get started with you. Please open the YouTube app on your phone. Next, go to your page or your library. Next, at the top, select Google account. Now data and privacy. Scroll down a little bit here, and you'll find your browsing history. Select YouTube history. Then scroll down here a little bit as well. And first of all, you can disable your search history and your YouTube browsing history for the future by clicking here. Then you can also set yourself to auto-delete your search history in the future. You can do that by clicking here. And choose how long you want your auto-delete to take. To do that, you'll need to click here. Choose how long you want to auto-delete after 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. And then click Next. Also, if you just want to delete the search history that you already have, then you'll need to click here in History Management. This is where you'll be able to see all of your YouTube browsing history. And to delete, you'll just have to, if you want to delete one video, click on the cross next to the video of that video, and it will be deleted immediately. If you want to delete a video, for example, for a particular day, then you have to scroll through until you find a specific day and click next to it, next to the date, also on the cross. And the viewing history for the whole day will be deleted. You can also click on Delete and delete your browsing history for the whole time. Friends, this is how you can clear your YouTube search history. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.